Hello, welcome to today's video. So this video is going to be a quickie and it's just going to show you what my room looks like, and I'm literally asking for your advice on how it should be because what the current setup is driving me nuts. Ideally, I should have showed you what it looked like before I moved everything around, but I wasn't thinking, and now I'm like, I'm willing to move it back or whatever, but I just need some ideas because my brain hurts, so help me please. BRB. I'm going to start from the outside and walk in. Welcome to my crib! Smaller room edition. So I just walked in, and if you walk in, to my left is my mirror, and on it I hang some stuff. Some stuff on the wall. Just doing a high level. Some storage stuff there. My night or lamp. My desk. And the reason why I have the desk there, I will explain later. But if I move away from the door, I come here, my scale's there, my gym bag is there. On this hook is a bunch of my jackets and stuff, and my beauty products that I would use every morning. So that's my room, high level. Now, I'm going to show you again properly in a second, but what I need from you is creating the space for me to be able to film videos and have a background that's normal and not hectic. So basically, the reason why I moved my desk like this, originally the desk was facing this way and the chair was behind it, facing like that, and I had all this stuff that's on my board. I don't want to show you what it is, but it's my vision board and personal stuff was all against there, and every time I looked up from studying or doing something, I saw the reasons why I was doing it. However, and that left open space because my bed wasn't like that. It was over here going horizontally, and this mirror was over there beside where that little makeup drawer is, where that space is. So I had all of this open space before. Now I have fucking wires everywhere. I have to unplug stuff and put it around there. Sometimes wires get stuck over here. I'm charging my phone there. Oh, this is my closet. Sick closet. I made the most of of little space. But anyways, basically if I'm filming, I put something here, like a tripod or something like that, a makeshift one, and this is the clear space that you guys get. However, my technical difficulties, number one, is I have to really zoom in and try not to get any of that or any of my closet. I just want it to be like that, actually like that, because I don't even want my desk. But it's harder than you think, especially without a viewfinder. And I kind of have to move this away, which is fine. I can even move this away to the side to access my wardrobe, but it's freaking annoying because I keep dropping these things, but these things need to be on the side because I'm usually filming with something over here. And then my mirror, if I'm filming my outfits of the day now, I'm moving my mirror from here to there, so I kind of have like a 5-second runway to show you my look, versus how it is now. I can't even fucking see myself. It's just wild, okay? I don't know what to do. It's driving me nuts. If I had it, yeah, I don't know. I kind of like this though, the idea of a blank space, and I was even thinking of putting that picture as a backdrop, but then I don't know if that clashes. So these are all just ideas and my brain hurts, so if someone could help me, that would be really great. Thank you. Cheers.